Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A75. In this video I'll show you how to restore data from backup. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and go to System and Update. Enter Backup and make sure to enable backup. Turn on Backup now, and it's done. Also, you can manually restore apps, photos, SMS, MMS messages, call history, device settings, or Google account data. Synchronize now, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.